U.S. history students, here is your week's preview, and you'll notice it is a short week, which is exciting for everybody. So let's take a look at the agenda first. Uh, for today, there is only one assignment, and really for this whole stretch of time, there's only one assignment. So the assignment is called Amending the Constitution, the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments assignment. So we're going to read a little bit about what takes place at the tail end of the Civil War and right when the Civil War ends in regards to Johnson's presidency and the attempts to protect former slaves against Southern states passing restrictive laws. That's it for the week, really. It's a good opportunity for you to get caught up. You'll see you've got no school. And then Tuesday is just to finish up that assignment, and that is it. You'll find that reading in the week folder. There's just one assignment and one reading, and that's it. So for some of you, this is going to be really helpful to get caught up because a few of us are behind. I think that's a positive, and secondarily, it allows us to refocus when we get back. So we'll take a short quiz on the Declaration of Independence through the things we've studied with the Constitution, and then we'll finish up this unit in hopefully the next week, maybe week and a half, and that will be studying some of the speeches that were given in the 20th century. And that'll be it, guys, for the unit. So if I don't see you, have a great break. I'm going to see some of you today taking your pre-ACT. But if I don't, wonderful break. Love your family. Hug your siblings. We don't do it enough. And come back fresh. See ya.